In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix DocuSign error 550 quickly and easily. If you've tried sending an envelope and it fails with error 550, don't worry, this is a common issue and it's usually related to email delivery problems. I'll walk you step by step through the most effective ways to fix it, so your document gets delivered without any more delays. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials. Let's get started. First, let's understand what DocuSign error 550 actually means. In most cases, error 550 is an email rejection error. This happens when the recipient's email server rejects the DocuSign notification email. That means the issue is typically related to the email address or the recipient's mailbox, not your DocuSign account itself. Step 1 is to verify the recipient's email address. Log into your DocuSign account and go to the Send or Manage tab where your envelope is listed. Open the envelope that failed and carefully review the recipient's email address. Check for small typos, like missing letters, extra spaces, or incorrect domains, such as typing gmail.com instead of gmail.com. Even a tiny spelling mistake will cause the email server to reject the message and trigger error 550. If you find a mistake, correct the email address and prepare to resend the envelope. Step 2 is to ask the recipient to check their spam or junk folder. Sometimes the email is delivered successfully but filtered by the recipient's email provider. Have them search their inbox for DocuSign to see if the message was flagged or quarantined. If they find it in spam, they should mark it as safe or add DocuSign to their trusted contacts to prevent the issue from happening again. Step 3 is to resend the envelope. After verifying the email address, go back into the envelope inside DocuSign. Click on the option to correct or resend the envelope. Confirm the recipient details, then resend it. In many cases, simply resending after confirming the email fixes the issue immediately. Step 4 is to try an alternate email address. If the error continues, contact the recipient and ask if they have another email address you can use. Sometimes corporate email servers have strict security filters that block automated emails like DocuSign notifications. Using a different email provider, such as a personal Gmail or Outlook address, can often solve the problem right away. Step 5 is to check if the recipient's mailbox is full or disabled. If their email account has exceeded storage limits or has been deactivated, their server may automatically reject incoming messages with a 550 error. Ask the recipient to confirm that their mailbox is active and able to receive new emails. Once they fix any mailbox issues, you can resend the envelope again. In summary, DocuSign error 550 is usually caused by an incorrect email address, spam filtering, a blocked message, or a mailbox issue on the recipient side. By verifying the email, checking spam, resending the envelope, trying an alternate email, and confirming the mailbox status, you can resolve the issue quickly and get your documents signed without delays. If this video helped you fix DocuSign error 550, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.